This is the Dancing Toothless Meme Crochet Amigurumi tutorial step 2. If you haven't seen step 1, go back to that because in step 1 we made the arms and the legs. In this tutorial we're going to be making the body. We'll start with a magic ring and then make a tube for the body, attach the arms and continue the tube up to the head. We'll also make the tail. It has shorter stitches on the top than the bottom and so it curves naturally. It doesn't have any wire. You can bend it and it will return back to its natural shape. We'll make the body first. We'll start now with a magic ring of 8 single crochet stitches. To save your time, I won't show you every single stitch. I'll just show you the start of each row with the description of what you need to do and any tricky parts. When you've done your 8 single crochet stitches in the magic ring, pull it slightly closed and start the next round, which is 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Then tighten the magic ring. Doing it this way makes that first stitch so much easier to make. Round 2 is increase single crochet times 4. Remember you've already done the first increase. At the end of that round, insert a round marker so you don't lose your place. Don't forget to trap that anchoring point on the end of the yarn tail when you reach it. Round 3 is increase 2 single crochet times 4. Keep crocheting into the yarn tail anchoring loop until the loop is full of stitches. There's the last one for me there. That way your magic ring won't come undone. You can see that's securely crocheted in there now. Round 4 is increase single crochet times 8. There'll be 24 stitches at the end of the round. If you followed my pattern exactly, none of your increases should be falling in the top of an increase from the previous round. That's the base of the body finished now. Well done. From now we'll do a single crochet stitch in each space. From round 5 to 22 it's just a single crochet in each space. Once you get to round 22 it's time to attach the arms. First do 8 single crochet stitches and then we'll crochet in the arm. Make sure you have the arm pointing upwards. There are only 7 stitches in the top of the arm, so we're going to crochet through the first 2 stitches when it's folded in half and through the body and do a single crochet stitch in there. Move the yarn tail into the center to get it out of the way and then we'll crochet into the next stitch across on the top and the bottom and into the body and do a single crochet there. The next part's a little tricky. Step forward 1 space in the top of the arm but go through the same space you just used in the back of the arm, through the body and do a single crochet stitch. Then move forward to the next space and go through the front and back of the next spaces in the arm and the body, and there you've crocheted on an arm. It already looks cute. Next we're going to do 7 single crochet stitches and then attach the other arm. I'll skip the video forward to the next arm. Attach the other arm the same way you attached the first one, remembering to use that center space at the back of the arm twice. When you've done the arm, do 1 single crochet and that's the end of that round. Next we'll tie the yarn tails from the arms together. Don't tie them too tight, you don't want your knot to be causing the arms to pull the body out of shape. Then snip off the ends. We're almost finished. There are 6 rounds to go. From round 24 to 29, it's a single crochet in each space. In the last space in round 29, we'll do a slip stitch and then an invisible end. Leave a long yarn tail, we'll use that to sew the body to the head. You learned how to do an invisible end in step 1, so now we'll go on with making the tail. Like the arms and legs we made in step 1, the tail bends naturally because of the stitches we use. Like all the other parts we've made, the tail starts with a magic ring, but this time we're only using 6 single crochet stitches. And like the magic rings we've done before, wait until you've done the first stitch in round 2 before you pull the magic ring tightly closed. Round 2 has an increase in the first stitch and then 5 single crochets, 7 stitches in all. Squeeze your stitches to force them to curl away from you this time. Because we're working with such a small circle, it's going to be very difficult to turn it in the right way if you let it curve the wrong way now. Insert a round marker so you can keep track of where you're up to, and in round 3 it's a single crochet in each space. Remember to trap your yarn tail from the magic ring as you crochet. Move your round marker up to the next stitch, and in round 4 we'll do 3 single crochet, 1 increase and 3 single crochet. So there'll be 8 stitches in this round. This is the part of the tail we're working on, and as you can see it's quite narrow, so it's a bit of a squeeze to crochet these few rounds. We'll just do a single crochet in each space for rounds 5 and 6. That's 8 stitches per round. In round 7 we start with an increase, then there are 7 single crochet stitches, 9 stitches in all. I'm going to crochet through the anchor loop from the magic ring now so that it won't come undone. It was too tight to crochet it in earlier. For rounds 8 through 12 we need to do 9 single crochets in each round, a single crochet in each space. For round 13 we'll do 4 half double crochets and 5 single crochets. This will start the shaping for the back of that tail. And we do the same again for round 14. It's 4 half double crochets and 5 single crochets. In round 15 we're going to do an increase. So first do 2 half double crochets and then a half double crochet increase in the next space. Then 2 half double crochets and 4 single crochets. There'll be 10 stitches in all. So there's the first 2 half double crochets. The next one is an increase. So do a half double crochet and then another half double crochet in that same space. Then it's 2 half double crochets and 4 single crochets to finish that round. Round 16 has a single crochet, 5 half double crochets and 4 single crochets. In round 17 there are 2 single crochets, 5 half double crochets and 3 single crochets. Add some stuffing at the end of this round so that you can get access to the top part there. Then in round 18 we'll do 3 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, a half double crochet increase, 2 half double crochets and 2 single crochets. I've jumped forward to the increase. The increase means you're going to do 2 half double crochet stitches into the same space. Then continue the pattern I've given you to the end of that round. For round 19 we'll do 3 single crochet, 6 half double crochet and 2 single crochet. There's 11 stitches in the round. For round 20 we'll do 4 single crochet, 6 half double crochet and a single crochet. For round 21 we need 6 single crochet, a half double crochet increase and 4 single crochet. There'll be 12 stitches at the end of the round. I'm just speeding the video through to show you where we increase. So they were all single crochets and now there's a half double crochet increase. So 2 half double crochets into the same space and then 4 single crochets to end off the round. Round 22 is 7 single crochet, a half double crochet increase and 4 single crochet, 13 stitches in all. Rounds 23 to 29 have a single crochet in each space, 13 stitches per round. This is round 29, and for the last stitch do a slip stitch. Then leave a long yarn tail so that we can sew the tail onto the dragon. Finish off with an invisible end. The last thing to do is fill the tail with fibrefill. It's time for a little happy dance. We're halfway there. In the next video, we'll make the scales and the head. Want to see a bonus outtake in slow motion? Don't.